I'm Peter Salib. I'm an assistant professor of law here at the University of Houston Law Center. I teach civil procedure to first-year law students, and then to upper-level students I teach a course on the First Amendment and a class that I call AI and the Law. So I was a philosophy major as an undergrad, which had a lot of elements that I really enjoyed. So I really enjoyed, thinking about ideas and arguing about ideas and seeing to what extent I could convince other people of my views. But of course, the market for philosophers is not very big and is not growing. And so as I thought about what I wanted to do with my career in the long run, law seemed like it shared a lot in common with philosophy in terms of the, thinking about the law, thinking about how it works, how it ought to work, and of course, arguing about the law. One thing to emphasize, especially for students who aren't from Texas or from Houston, which was me before I took this job at U of H, is that Texas is a really exciting, dynamic place to be, circa 2023, and I think going forward, and not just Texas, but Houston specifically. So at a time where many major cities are shrinking, some of them shrinking rapidly, Texas is growing rapidly, and Houston is growing rapidly. We're the fourth biggest city in the United States currently, and will probably be third very soon. And that means that there are just like lots and lots of different kinds of people here, people from all over the United States, but also people from all over the world, people who are bringing new ideas, starting new businesses, and it's going to be a place that I think grows and changes a lot over the course of the coming years and decades. And so coming to what I think is clearly the strongest law school in the Houston area, building a network and a career in this place that's only going to grow and become more dynamic as time goes on, I think is just a smart and exciting way to think about your career. Yeah, so we have a really incredible faculty, and I think most law schools would say the same. But really, it's true. It's true in our case. One thing that's unique, or maybe not unique, but special about the Houston faculty is we're growing a lot right now. We're hiring a lot of new scholars, and in some ways that's like a parallel to what's happening in Houston as a whole. We're bringing on a lot of new people who are at the beginning of their career, who are thinking and writing about what is like happening in the world right now, what's dynamic, what is law going to have to respond to today and in the coming years. And so, so in the same way that the city, the state are dynamic, changing, bringing in new people, new ideas, I think Houston, the law school, is also going to be a dynamic place for now and in the near future.